Ndewonu Igbo ndị ọma ndị nke m, kedu ka unu mere? Hello my amazing Igbo language learners, how are you all doing? Our Igbo word for today is the word chefue. Okwu Igbo nke taa bụ okwu bụ chefue. Chefue n'asụsụ Bekee pụtara forget. Chefue, forget. Chefue, forget. N'iji chefue maa atụ, nke mbụ, to make an example with the word chefue, the first one, chefue ego ahụ o ji gị, which means forget that money he or she is owing you. Chefue ego ahụ o ji gị. Nke abụọ, o chefuru aha ya. That is, he or she forgot her name. He or she forgot her name. Chefuru in past tense. Chefuru in past tense. I know you've learned something new in this video. Please make your examples and use these words in your conversation going forward. Remember, the best way to learn and grow in your language journey is to always practice. You cannot learn and just sit on it. Be sure to practice. Don't forget to also like, share, and subscribe to our videos. See you tomorrow.